He's approved a couple of signs. Has Mark gone completely bananas?
They're the sort of people I'm just trying to. Food repairs and stuff. Repair shop. You will want the now, this is great fun. Well, what can I say? I want you to read on one thing. I don't want you to read on one thing that. Because it's an unusual thing. I'm going to go to New Covent Garden in London, and hopefully one of the people there might want this on top of their vehicle, and then be top banana. Now, this sign would be of interest to many public things and cars. There's enough of those in the country, it's actually easy to sell. This little parcel here cost me £1. Yes, it's for less. But you know what? I fancy this sign's got to be perfect. And a top banana, look at that, fit that on top of something, and you've got the bulk. It's weird, it's wacky, it's fun, but it's not made in China.
Indeed. Now, Paul, in your part of the market, but it looks as though he's tracked down something out of the ordinary.
Now then, I think I found the guest that I was expecting today. It's really an unusual item. What a fantastic piece. It's actually very important for Buddhist culture, and it dates from about, I think, the horizon on a horse with 5 heads. Now, an amazing story. But the quality is absolutely superb. The detail of the carving of the brass work with the rosewood base. What a wonderful thing for somebody. We can use sculpture, people that can appreciate sculpture. So, there's lots of interest, hopefully. Because we're in a big city, that's the sort of that people will understand. And if there's a few people who take a fancy to this, let's see how we get on. But it could go either way.
We'll see if Paul's auction strategy pays off shortly. In the Hampshire countryside, after a lot of tinkering,
Look at that!